In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Azerbaijan Visa. This is a step-by-step guide, so keep watching. Go to this website evisa.gov.az. Select your country, select your passport type, add CAPTCHA and continue. And then select your purpose of visit. Read the conditions and it will take you to this page. Now enter all your personal details carefully as per your passport. Now enter the address of the hotel that you have booked for your stay in Azerbaijan. Upload scanned copy of your passport and click Complete Application. It will take you to this screen. Verify all the information and make sure it matches with your passport. Click Verify. It will show you the screen and will send an email with payment link. Pay $30 and you shall get the visa in 3 working days. Don't forget to take the screenshot of your payment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thanks. Bye.